Okay, back again with the same LCD screen with all the rest. This is a sound. What do you call it? A sound sensor. It picks up sound, and when it picks up the sound, it transfers it to the LCD, showing a bar, which is fluctuating, very similar to an oscilloscope. The closest I could get to an oscilloscope, it's with this type of bar, and you will see from the codes. Okay, it plays much better when there is news or when there is event that affect the the wave. Okay, so let me see again. Yeah, if it directly sounds, you can see that is moving that way. And the closer I am when I talk, or if you have a video on or whatever, it'll move, like wave-like. And here's the code here. You can see the code. It's based on the 8 bits wave, and there are 7 wave. I think I'll put 7. Yeah. 7 wave, and there we are, from 0 to 6, and to fit the mapping of the LED, and I'm still using the same principle of the mapping with the value of 5 volt. Correct. All right, so there we are, and let me see. Hello. Yeah. And you can try this one. There's one thing that you must be careful though, is there is a potentiometer at the back. I adjusted it to this level here, okay? Although if you bring it, you can see that all the way up, the waves goes all the way up, and see, now you could use this one. You can see this LED picks a sound and vibrate with you, similar to the sound wave, but it probably require sort of a more sound. But you can adjust it. You can adjust the pot here according to you. You can try around and see how you feel comfortable with. It depends on how loud is the sounds or the music, or and there we are. Very simple. Doesn't require much, but you will have these things moving while you play music. It can be fun. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a good day. Ciao. And please give me a thumbs up if you like it.